This is Chef Gourmet, and today we're going to talk about what to do with blueberries. Blueberries. You always have extra, especially during the holidays, and I like to put on yogurt. So we're going to show you how to make a simple syrup with berries. So right now I've already started my water boiling, if you can see that. That's 1 cup of water. I'm going to put 1 cup of sugar in, and we're going to stir it up, like so. We're going to wait till it dissolves. I think it needs a little more water. Always have a little extra water on hand, because you never know how thick or thin it's going to be. So we're going to get that boiling. See that? We're going to put in the berries. This is 1 18 ounce. It's basically 2 cups of berries. So now it's boiling. We're going to toss these in. Okay. Now, I've already washed the berries, so don't think I didn't wash the berries. Okay. And then what you can do is, if you have kids, you can put them in these wick jars, and you can make like a parfait. So you put in the yogurt, you put in some berries, yogurt, and some granola. I don't have granola today, but we can show you how to do it. So I hear it boiling. You can see it start turning purpley blue. Now we're going to lower the temperature even more, so the berries don't split apart and burst. Now we've let the blueberry and simple syrup cool, so now I'm putting it in these little wick jars, like so. Now it's best to put that in the refrigerator and let it cool. So we're going to plate up some yogurt, and you're going to see how nice it looks. Now I already cooled this in the refrigerator. I let it sit for about an hour because it makes it a little bit nicer and syrupy. So we just put that over the yogurt. Put a little mint there. And there you have it. So now I'm going to try it. Excellent.